Hi, my name is Brenna, and I am a personal coach in the health and wellness industry, and I give Chatroll a 5 out of 5 star rating. When trying to decide which software to use, I didn't really look at any others. Chatroll felt like a really obvious choice. They had a free plan for the number of users that I needed, so I just jumped right in and got started. The reasons that I decided to use Chatroll for my online webinars is because they had a free option for the number of users that I was using at the time, and I knew that I could just level up if I needed to. I really thought that it was a very user-friendly interface. It seemed really easy to onboard, and I liked that I could customize my chat box so that it matched the colors and font on my blog rather than having it look out of place with someone else's choices and design. The onboarding process with Chatroll, I would say, is a moderate difficulty level as far as getting it all set up. You have to make sure you have all of the correct access codes put in on your blog correctly, and you want to just test it out. Make sure that it's running correctly. Give it a couple of trial runs. Make sure you've got it all exactly the way you want it. But once you do, it's an absolute breeze to use, and it didn't give me any problems once I had it set up correctly. For anyone thinking of using Chatroll, I would highly recommend it. It's got a free plan, so if you're just starting out, you don't have a lot of users, that's okay. It really doesn't cost you anything. You have so much that you need to be thinking about if you're starting to do online webinars on your blog or somewhere else. You've got to make sure that your feed is correct, and you've got to make sure you've got all the right things. Chatroll, you don't have to worry about it at all. Once you've got it there, it works great. You can see what everybody has to say right there during your live webinar. It's easy to monitor, it's easy to use, and I would highly recommend getting started to give your webinars the extra professional touch to just make them that much more awesome.